Ricco. Ricco. Telephone. Who's that? It's a telephone. Hello. Who is it? Pick it up. Telephone. Hello? Should we pick it up? Who is it? Say hello. Should we put on speaker? Say hello, Ricco. Who's that? Peekaboo. Say hello. Hello, who's on the telephone? Say hello.
Hello?
Who's that?
Hello?
Say hi. Hi. Say hi, baby. Hi. Who's that, Ricco? Who's that? Peekaboo. Say hi.
Ring, ring.
Who's that, Ricco?
Hello?
Who's that? You want to give them a kiss? Give them a kiss. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. Yeah. You want to give them a hug? Give them a hug. Hug, hug. No? You don't want to talk? You don't want to talk? No? He said hello. Hi.
Hello?
He's talking to you, Anna.
Hi, Ricco.
Hi. You want to give a kiss?
Give me a kiss.
Kiss, kiss. Who's that? You want to play peekaboo? Tell him peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
Who's that? You want to play peekaboo?
Peekaboo.
Okay, say bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Ricco. Okay, bye, Anna.
Okay, bye.
You're funny. You're so funny. You had to go. Who was it? Huh? It was Anna. Who was on the telephone? She had to go. Yeah, she'll be over soon to see you. That's my sister. Yeah, you recognized her voice, didn't you? She'll be over soon to play with you. Where did she go? Where did she go? Huh? I know. Oh, where did she go, Ricco? Oh, you upset that she went bye-bye? Where did she go? Huh? Yeah, where did she go, Ricco? She'll be over soon, don't worry, okay? And then you can play with her. I know you like playing peekaboo. I know you like playing peekaboo. Hi. 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 Okay. Are you kissing? Are you kissing? Okay, say bye, everybody. You look rough because you're molting. Say bye. Bye.